supports 4 chains. For you to just see them, you open the wallet, come to manage, and touch import. So that means you can hold tokens on Solana, Polygon, and Ethereum on your giant wallet from these 4 chains. So for example, now I want to get a token from BNB chain. I will just minimize. Let's do an example with let's go with OCCAT. So I'll just go to Chrome. I'll just search for OCCAT token. So it will bring me here to CoinGecko, sorry. So you just come there, see OCCAT. You just go down, scroll down, and then see the contract address. You copy the contract address. So once you copy it, just go back to the wallet. Since it's on BNB, you paste, and then you import. Once you import, you will see that you activate it, and then you have your OCCAT. And if you want to buy OCCAT from the wallet, you just swap. Ensure you have BNB, touch here, select, see OCCAT down there, you just swap, and you can buy your OCCAT with this.